In this video, we're going to show you how to install the mass airflow sensor on your Cadillac Escalade, located right here at the top side of your engine. We're going to start by disconnecting the ground terminal on the battery. Use your 10mm socket, extension and ratchet. Loosen that terminal bolt. Remove that terminal and set it aside. If you follow this harness up, it's going to bring you right to the connector here for your mass airflow sensor. Right here is a red lock tab. Just put your finger underneath. I'm going to lift that up, pop that up. I'm going to pinch the tab and wiggle that off, set it aside. Using a T15 Torx bit, you want to loosen and remove the two screws. Be careful not to drop these screws. Once you have the two screws out, you can go ahead and grab the sensor, pull it straight up and out. Take your new sensor, lower it down inside. Now let's go ahead and get the screws started by hand if you can first. Once you get them caught, just a couple threads, I'm going to go ahead and snug them down. Once those screws bottom out, just a little bit more, you want to make sure that those are seated properly. Wiggle that, test it. Take your connector, snap that on. You can feel it and hear it lock in, and then press that lock down. Once you're done with this, let's now go ahead and install that ground terminal on the battery. Tighten down the nut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.